Listen up everyone, think you know brandy, huh? Well guess what? Latin America has more fruit than a rainforest and they're turning it all into brandy. Forget that dusty old bottle your grandpa keeps. We're talking vibrant flavors, exotic aromas, the kind of stuff that'll make your taste buds do the salsa. From the Andes to the Amazon, these brandies are bursting with sunshine and tradition. And today we're diving headfirst into this delicious world. We're going to muddle, shake, and stir 5 of the most amazing Latin American brandies. Get ready to learn, because this is a masterclass you don't want to miss. First up, we have Pisco, straight from the heart of Peru. This isn't just another drink, it's a piece of Peruvian culture, a tradition going back centuries. This isn't watered-down grape juice, you hear? It's a labor of love, crafted with precision and passion. This is pure firewater, distilled from the finest grapes under the Andean sun. The unique climate and soil of the Andes give Pisco its distinct character. It's the base of the Pisco Sour, a cocktail so good it should be illegal. This drink is a testament to Pisco's versatility and depth, but don't worry, I'm about to give you the recipe for success, so listen up. This is your ticket to impressing your friends at your next get-together. 2 ounces of Pisco, got it? This is the foundation of your cocktail, so make sure it's measured perfectly. Not a drop more, not a drop less. Precision is key here. Now, the juice of 1 fresh lime. Freshness is crucial to bring out the vibrant flavors. Squeeze it like you mean it. You want every last drop of that tangy goodness. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup because even a fiery spirit needs a touch of sweetness. This balances the tartness of the lime. And a dash of Angostura bitters just to add a little mystery. It's the secret ingredient that elevates the drink. Now shake it like your life depends on it. The shaking process is what marries all the flavors together. We want that ice to break down and chill the drink to perfection. The colder, the better. Strain it into a chilled glass, nice and smooth. This ensures a silky texture without any ice chips. And to finish, a couple of drops of Angostura bitters. This adds a final aromatic flourish. That's how we do it in Peru, folks. This is more than just a drink, it's an experience. This is a cocktail that will transport you straight to the Andes with every sip. You can almost feel the mountain breeze, the tang of the lime, the smooth warmth of the Pisco. It's a true revelation. Every sip is a journey. And don't even think about using store-bought sour mix, you hear? Fresh is best, always. It makes all the difference. Now, Pisco has a bit of a kick, so sip it slowly and savor the flavors. Let it unfold on your palate. You'll find citrus notes, maybe a hint of floral tones, depending on the grapes they used. Each bottle tells a different story. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. The flavors dance together in perfect harmony. But don't think for a minute that Pisco is a one-trick pony. It's a versatile spirit that can adapt to any occasion. Oh no, this versatile liquor can hold its own in countless cocktails. From classic to contemporary, Pisco shines. From refreshing chilcanos to sophisticated Pisco Sours, the possibilities are endless. Each cocktail offers a new adventure. So next time you're feeling adventurous, ditch the usual suspects and reach for a bottle of Pisco. It's a choice you won't regret. You won't regret it, I guarantee. Cheers to new experiences and unforgettable flavors. Now, on to the next challenge. Stay tuned for more exciting cocktail adventures. Now we're off to Colombia, the land of coffee, salsa, and a little liquor called Aguardiente. This isn't for the faint of heart. It packs a punch like a mule thanks to its anise flavor. Some people shy away from strong flavors. Not us. We're not afraid of a little challenge, are we? And trust me, Aguardiente is worth a try. It has an incredible depth of flavor, a mix of licorice and herbs that will wake up your senses like a shot of espresso. Now, Colombians sure know how to handle their Aguardiente. They drink it straight, alongside a cup of coffee. But me? I like to switch things up a bit. And one of my favorite ways to enjoy Aguardiente is in a refreshing cocktail, perfect for those hot Colombian days. Take 2 ounces of Aguardiente, and don't even think about skimping on the good stuff. Mix it with fresh lemonade, the kind Grandma used to make, not that bottled stuff, and a few mint leaves just to give it a touch of freshness. Now, fill a glass with ice, the bigger the cubes the better, and pour that glorious mixture right in. Take a sip, and let the flavors wash over you. The anise will hit you first, strong and bold, followed by the sweetness of the lemonade and the coolness of the mint. It's a symphony of flavors, and it's so good. This is a cocktail that will transport you straight to the streets of Cartagena with the sun on your face and the rhythm of salsa in the air. Aguardiente isn't just a drink in Colombia, it's a way of life. It's the spirit of celebration, of good times with friends and family. So next time you're looking for a drink with a little character, reach for a bottle of Aguardiente. Get ready for an adventure. This drink is more than just a beverage, it's a cultural experience. So whether you're dancing the night away or just enjoying a quiet evening, Aguardiente will give that extra spark to your moments. Cheers to embracing the bold and aromatic spirit of Colombia. Alright, let's head to Brazil, where the beaches are hot and the drinks are even hotter. We're talking about cachaça, Brazil's national liquor. This isn't some fancy brandy, no sir. This is rough, strong, and made for partying. We're talking pure sugarcane juice, fermented and distilled to perfection. It has an earthy, raw flavor that'll knock your socks off. Think herbal notes, a touch of sweetness, and lots of Brazilian sunshine. Now you can't talk about cachaça without mentioning the Caipirinha, Brazil's national cocktail. It's simple, it's refreshing, and it'll make you want to dance the samba all night long. Take a lime, cut it into wedges, and muddle it with 2 teaspoons of sugar. Don't be shy, really muddle those limes to release all their delicious juice. Now add 2 ounces of cachaça, the star of the show. Stir it well, making sure all the flavors combine. Fill a glass with ice and pour the caipirinha right in. Garnish it with a lime wedge if you're feeling fancy. 1 sip of this and you'll be transported straight to the beaches of Rio. Cachaça has this amazing ability to capture the spirit of Brazil. It's fun, vibrant, and always ready for a good time. But don't think for a minute that cachaça is a one-trick pony. Oh no, this versatile liquor can hold its own in countless cocktails. From refreshing batidas to sophisticated caipirinhas, the possibilities are endless. So next time you're looking for a taste of Brazil, reach for a bottle of cachaça. Get ready to party. Alright, we're going off script now, you hear me? We're getting creative, experimental. We're going to infuse our own brandy. And we'll start with Chimarrão, a Brazilian brandy that's just crying out for a touch of flavor. Think of it this way, you're the artist, and that bottle of Chimarrão is your blank canvas. You can add any flavor you like, create something truly unique, something that'll make your friends say, wow, this is amazing. We're going to start with 750 milliliters of Chimarrão, a good amount to experiment with. Today I'm going to use a combination of peaches and cinnamon, which I love. But feel free to be creative, alright? Try different fruits, herbs, spices, whatever you like. Slice up some fresh peaches and toss them into a sterilized jar. Add a cinnamon stick or 2 if you're feeling bold. Now pour that Chimarrão over the top, seal the jar tightly, and give it a good shake. Now comes the hard part, waiting. Store that jar in a cool, dark place for 2 to 4 weeks. Let those flavors mingle and combine, create something truly special. Once you think it's ready, strain that infused Chimarrão through some cheesecloth and admire your creation. It'll have this beautiful amber color and the aroma alone will make your mouth water. You can drink this infusion on its own over ice or use it to add a touch of flair to your cocktails. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. For our final adventure, we're headed to Mexico, where the food is spicy, the culture is rich, and the drinks are strong. And this time we're not talking tequila, no sir. We're going to explore something a little more unique. We're talking apple brandy, or as they say in Mexico, Manzana. This isn't just any brandy, it's a special drink. This is a brandy that's close to my heart. It's a drink that tells a story with every sip. It has a beautiful simplicity, a pure apple flavor that's refreshing and comforting at the same time. It's like a hug in a glass. And the best part is, you can make it yourself. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to start with a bunch of fresh apples, the kind that make your mouth water just looking at them. These apples are the foundation of our brandy, so choose the best ones you can find. Peel them, core them, chop them into pieces, and get ready for the magic to begin. Throw them in a big pot, add some sugar, a splash of water, and let the transformation begin. Let those apples simmer until they're soft and sweet, filling your kitchen with an irresistible aroma. This is where things get interesting. This is where the real fun begins. Once the apples are cooked to perfection, blend them in a blender until you have a smooth puree. This puree is the heart of our brandy. Pour that apple goodness into a sterilized container, add some yeast, and let the magic happen. Fermentation, my friends, is where the real alchemy happens. It's a process that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. The yeast will transform those sugars into alcohol, creating the base of our apple brandy. This is where science meets art, and the result is pure magic. Once fermentation is complete, it's time to distill that liquid gold. This step is crucial for refining the flavors. Distillation is an art form in itself, requiring patience and precision. I know not everyone has a still at home, but don't worry, there are other ways to enjoy this drink. But if you're lucky enough to have access to one, distilling your own apple brandy is an incredibly rewarding experience. You'll end up with a crystal clear drink bursting with the flavor of fresh apples. Drink it straight, mix it in cocktails, or use it to add a touch of Mexican sunshine to your desserts. This apple brandy is a versatile drink that's sure to impress. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or a curious beginner, it's a journey worth taking. So let's raise a glass to tradition, to innovation, and to the simple joy of a well-made drink. Cheers, it's a versatile drink that's sure to impress. There you have it, folks, a crash course on Latin American brandies that will make you the most interesting drinker at any party. From the heights of the Andes to the beaches of Brazil, these liquors are a true revelation. Now don't be lazy. Go out and try them yourselves, experiment with cocktails, create your own infusions, and discover the incredible diversity of Latin American flavors. And if you mess it up, don't come crying to me, just kidding, share your creations in the comments below. I might even give you some tips if you're lucky. Remember, drinking is about much more than just getting drunk. It's about exploring new flavors, discovering new cultures, and broadening your horizons. So, go ahead and have some fun.